How to see last online status of a user on Roblox. Hi everyone, welcome to the channel. This is Rose and without further ado, let's begin. First of all, launch a web browser. Click search bar and type in roblox.com and press enter on your keyboard and make sure that you logged into your account. Now, to see someone's last online status, you need to click the search bar at top of the screen and try finding some of the user. Now press enter. And after that, here you will see a list of users. Suppose let's open the first users. And when you check their profile or about, then here is no such option that says the online status. So what alternatively you can follow is simply you need to click on the new tab icon at top left and search for Chromebook. And now you need to like Chrome Web Store. And now press enter on your keyboard. After that, let's open it. And here, you need to scroll down and look for extensions at top left. Here you need to search for the extension of BT Roblox Making Roblox Better. Now click on Add to Chrome. And here click on Add Extension. And after that, it will be added to your device. Once done, you need to go back to your Roblox. Now you can easily search a new user and we can see that their online status is online currently. So in this way you can easily check or see the last online status of friends on Roblox. But remember, you must be friends on Roblox to see that. So I hope this guide was helpful. If it was, then do like, share, comment and don't forget to subscribe. Thank you for watching and I'll see you in the next video.